A big thank you to all our students making such a beautiful picture here. For anybody who was kept away because they thought it was a big young day this morning, when they missed the spectacle today. It's actually nice to see the Sentinel out there, like I was saying earlier. Otherwise, these were very, very effective. Steam wagons and the Sentinel were very well respected on the road of school. Sentinels went on building steams for many, many years, right up until the factory. From the works,